aware that the Department of Home Affairs is losing control of the visa system? While the two major political parties play around immigration issues rather than confronting them head-on, there were some developments in March that reconfirmed the Department of Home Affairs (DHA) loss of control over the visa system. For detailed information, watch this video till the end, and yes, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Warm welcome from Brain Drain Consultants to our immigration information and news channel, A2Z Immigration Updates. Apart from the problems created by poor visa design, administration and appallingly poor staff morale in DHA, a crucial issue is the gridlock in the visa system and the extent to which this reflects a loss of border control. But no one has seen any discussion of that during the election campaign. One of the best indicators of the gridlock is the number of people in Australia on bridging visas. The vast bulks of these people were on a substantive visa while in Australia and have lodged an application for another substantive. While they wait for a decision from DHA, they are placed on a bridging visa to maintain their lawful status. A large number of people on a bridging visa reflect a system unable to cope with its workload effectively, one that is out of control, as you can see in this chart 1. During the pandemic, a time when offshore visa applications had declined significantly and the spare resources provided an opportunity to clear the bridging visa backlog, DHA allowed it to grow to an astonishing 373,109 at end March 2022. Part of the bridging visa backlog is associated with the labor trafficking scam abusing the asylum system that started in 2015. The scam is largely aimed at supplying cheap farm laborers. At end February 2022, there were just under 30,000 asylum applications at the primary stage, another 35,000 at the Administrative Appeals Tribunal, AAT, as this chart 2 shows us, and another 30,000 who had been refused at both primary stage and at the AAT. In contrast to the discussion on boat arrivals, there has been no mention of this scam and what may be done to address this scam during the election campaign. The government is happy to sweep these 95,000 people under the carpet even though they represent a massive loss in border control. The current gridlock in the visa system will encourage the organizers of this scam to resume it now that international borders have been reopened. Large onshore visa backlogs are a honeypot for the unscrupulous while they penalize the honest. Another significant development that has contributed to the bridging visa backlog has been the steady rise in the contribution of people arriving on visitor visas and then extending stay after arrival. While the contribution of visitors to net overseas migration has traditionally been less than 10% per annum, this has changed significantly over the past decade. We can see it in this third chart. The number of visitor arrivals staying in Australia long-term increased from around 40,000 in 2012-13 to over 132,000 in 2019. In that year, this represented over 40% of net overseas migration, or over 25% of Australia's overall population growth. Once again, there has been no mention of this loss of visa control during the election campaign. It is clear the government has no plans to address this situation, as that would require a massive injection of additional resources to DHA, especially given the forecast rise in visa applications as international travel resumes. With visa application numbers forecast to rise over the next 2 years as they return to more normal levels of international people movements, and the existing massive gridlock in the visa system, a reduction in Home Affairs funding will further reduce its ability to deliver on its core immigration functions. Whoever wins government will need to deal with this urgently. Failure to act would lead to even greater loss of border control. We hope you appreciate our efforts to provide important and accurate immigration information. Please share your feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your support, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your valuable time, and we hope to see you again soon with another video. If you need any further assistance or want to discuss anything related to your immigration dreams, then you can book an expert consultation session with our team of registered migration consultants.